Now we are going to see about different equipotential surfaces. First one is spherical equipotential surface. Clear? How a spherical equipotential surface will be formed. Okay. This already we discussed. What? There is a plus Q charge. Point charges. And it is there. This produces equipotential surface is in which shape? It is to be in spherical in shape. Like this one. Okay, so here you can see that the distance between the equipotential surface will be increases while the distance increases. And what about the potential? Here all the point the potential have same. Here all the point have potential same. But this one point here and one point here how not have same potential. Clear? So in this three surface, which surface having high potential value? Here one point I will consider, here I will one point, and here one point I will consider. Which point have maximum potential? The point is nearby it. So this surface potential is maximum. Here it will be decreases, here it will be decreases. So what is the electric field direction? Electric field is perpendicularly. Here you can see that it is outward. Electric field due to a positive charge is radially outward. And the electric field is perpendicular to the surface. So here you can see that the angle between them is 90. Okay, clear? This is the equipotential surface produced by a point charges. This is a concentric spherical equipotential surface. Clear? Next we are going to see about how cylindrical equipotential surface. Clear? Cylindrical equipotential surface. Clear? So here we are going to consider about a line of charge. This is the line. Here the positive charges are uniformly distributed all over the line. Okay, so this will produce as a what? Electric field in all the direction. The electric field value is what? 1 by 4 pi, 1 by 2 pi epsilon 0 lambda divided by R you will get. So that means the electric field is inversely proportional to distance. So while going away from it, electric field value will be decreases. So we have to draw it. So this equipotential surface produced by this is, we can draw like this. Okay. Next we can draw another sphere. We can draw another sphere like this. Next, we can draw another sphere, concentric cylindrical surface, like that we can draw it. Okay. We can draw another sphere like this we can draw. Clear? So here also the distance between the equipotential surface will be increases while going. My diagram is a little bit not to be correct, but you have to consider here the distance between here and distance between the equipotential surface will be increases while going away from it. Okay. Then what is the electric field? Is perpendicular to the surface in this direction, in this direction. Okay. Electric field at any point in this is perpendicular to it. Okay. So equipotential surface produced by a line of charge is concentric cylindrical equipotential surface. Okay. Next we are going to see about plane equipotential surface. Plane equipotential surface. Clear? So I am going to imagine there is an electric field is in this direction. So there is a uniform electric field. How will you represent uniform electric field? We are going to represent the uniform electric field is equally spaced parallel lines. Okay. So this is the electric field. Okay, so it is in which axis? So it is parallel to the x-axis. This is the y-axis, this is z-axis. Okay, so electric field is parallel to the x-axis. So equipotential surface is always perpendicular to the electric field. So we have to draw an equipotential surface perpendicular to this, means it will be lie in which plane? It will be lie in the YZ plane. So we have to draw the equipotential surface like this. Okay, so here you can see that this is a plane equipotential surface. Clear? Okay, so this is a plane equipotential surface, and what is the distance between the equipotential surface? This distance is equal. Why? Because it is a uniform electric field region. Okay, so that the distance between the equipotential surface is to be equal, and it is a plane equipotential surface. Clear? Now we are going to see about the equipotential surface produced by a dipole, or what shape the equipotential surface of a dipole. What is mean by dipole? Dipole means a positive and negative charges are separated by a small distance. So I am consider here is a positive charge and here is a negative charge. These positive and negative charges are separated by a small distance. So we are going to consider about what is the equipotential surface. Clear? So for this we have to consider one thing. The electric field produced by this is in which direction? Here. This is going away from it. Here I am consider as a point here. Here I will consider another point. Here I will consider. First we will consider these 3 points. In this point, what about the electric field? Electric field produced by this positive charge is in which direction? In this direction. Okay, what about the electric field produced by this negative charge? Negative charge also, but along the same direction. Okay, so here the electric field value will be what? Increases. Clear? So two electric field produced by this and this are in same. Okay, the same I will be considered here. This point is same distance from here and same distance from here. This point is same. What is the distance from here? The same distance. This point is here. Okay, so here you see, here this positive charge will produce an electric field is in which direction? It is to be in this direction, and electric field produced by this negative charge is in what direction? Here you see that it is in this direction. Okay, so here you see this is, I can say that here you can say that E plus, okay, and E minus. E plus is the electric field produced by this positive charge, E minus is the electric field produced by this negative charge. Okay, so here E plus is in which direction? E plus is to be in this direction and E minus is in this direction. Okay, so what about here? Here you can see that here there are two electric field is there. One is the electric field produced by this positive charge. The positive charge is in this direction. This is the E plus. What about E minus? E minus is in which direction? E minus is in this direction. Sorry, this minus is in this direction. Okay, compare with these 2 points, the electric field at this point is larger. So that means in between the region, the electric field value is larger compared with the point in these two sides. By considering this, we have to draw the equipotential surface. We have to draw it. Okay, so we'll consider as a positive charge here. We'll consider as a negative charge here. Then we can draw it. So here the equipotential surface produced by this A, we'll consider. Okay, here like this it will becomes exactly, actually it has to becomes on a spherical. Here it is to be closer like that. Okay, about my diagram is to be problem. Okay, so this is the equipotential surface produced by a dipole. Okay, clear. Next we are going to see about the equipotential surface produced by a two positive charge will becomes here. What is the thing? Okay, so here what is the electric field? Electric field, you can see that it is to becomes like this. Okay, start originate from the positive charge, end at the negative charge like this. Okay, or it is to be here, it will be what, like this. Here it is to be like all the point, the angle between them is to be 90. Here also you can see that all the point, the angle between them is 90. Clear. Next we are going to see about the equipotential surface produced by a two positive charges. What is to be that this? Okay, so here I will consider as a one positive charge, here I will consider as a another positive charge. Okay, so here you can see that here there is a point I am consider, here I am consider as a point, here I am consider as a point. Okay, so what about E plus Q? This electric field produced by this, that is electric field is in this direction, this is electric field produced by this, and this is in this direction. Okay, and what about here? The electric field produced by this is in this direction, and electric field produced by this also in the same direction. Clear? What about the point here? Here the electric field produced by this is in this direction, and electric field produced by this is in this direction. So here you see that here in this point, in between the point, the electric field value is to be decreases, but the point here and the point here, the electric field value is to be more. Okay, so by considering this, we have to draw the equipotential surface. Clear? Positive and a positive charge. Okay, so we have to draw the equipotential surface. We have to draw it. Clear? This is the equipotential surface. Clear? What is the electric field? Like this, and like this, like this. Here it is to be like this, and here it is to be like this. Here it will be like this. Okay. So here all the point. Here you consider it. The angle between electric field and surface is to be 90. So this is the equipotential surface produced by a two positive charges placed closer it, and if you place two negative charge closer it, the same shape you can see that, but the electric field direction is to be coming towards it. Okay, that is the thing about the equipotential surface. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.